Okay, we are going to have a short break, 5 minutes, so that this is a very interesting session, but everybody else has finished already, so we'll take 5 minutes, leave, and you can continue with the last talks of this session. So I would like to close this conference. This is the ICR 2013, the fourth Israeli conference on robotics, and it has actually surpassed every expectations we had. We can summarize a few numbers. We had 120 papers, or not papers, but talks, 4 parallel tracks, never before like that. 2 days, that's the same as before. We had about 350 the first day, 360, 80 participants the second day. And these are those participants who actually went to the dining room. So we had many more, like 100, 150 more every day for those who passed through the exhibition, and some of them entered the sessions. We had quite a few, not students, but pupils, how do you call them? Talmidim. So young people coming here, and robotics enthusiasts. So this was the first that we had it that way. This is the first time that we had it in such a large venue, and seems like this is appropriate for what we would learn for the future. Several milestones that we had. We had the forum, Chief Scientist Forum, and this is the first time that the Chief Scientist of the Ministry of Economy sent a representative to this conference, something that I was trying to push him to do for the last few conferences. They never paid attention to robotics. Seems like they realize that robotics is something that you may not ignore. They are still not there. They still think that robotics can survive by itself. We would like to convince them. We will put some effort in convincing them that this is actually not the case. We have to put some more money into it. The Europeans do, therefore we should do the same. So this is one milestone. We had Yossi Barbi, of course, was with us. And I asked him to actually be a supporter of robotics, and he has many connections. So I hope that we are making some new strides into the high-tech industry. And what else? That's basically the milestone I can think of now. We are thinking about the next conference, which would be in maybe 2015. And the other conferences, the other robotic conferences, they are actually talking about trying to have one big conference rather than to have 4 conferences in 1 month. This is about the situation that happened this month. We had one a month ago, we had this one, we had 1 week ago in Tel Aviv, and there's going to be another autonomous something conference in a week from now. And this is just impossible. The rest of the world is looking at us very strangely what's going on in Israel, and they realize that, and they will try to consolidate. And this actually fits into my strategy, which was keep doing what you are doing. You are with basically the robotics community is behind this conference, and this is what's important. If the robotics community is behind it, this will happen. This will actually will become a reality. This time, I think, I feel it that way, and I hear the feedback from all the people that this actually surpassed everything that we did before. The exhibition was very successful. We had about 33, 34 exhibitors compared to about 20 in the previous conferences. And this is not enough. I was planning to have 40 exhibitors or 50, 500 participants, and maybe and have this to be I wanted this to be an international conference. It was in some respect. I hope it will be more the next time. We had about 50 foreign participants in this conference, which is quite a milestone for us, quite remarkable. And I think these are the numbers I can think of. And I want to thank the steering committee, quite a few, but the smaller organizing committee with Amir Dugani being the program chair, Avital Bechar being the publication chair, and Professor Moshe Shoam being the steering committee chair. And everybody thinks that I did everything, but without them, nothing would have happened here, because I would have given up a long time ago. And I have to also note the help of the military, Sgan Aluf for Lieutenant Colonel Leon Alteratz, whose with whose support? With their support, actually, really gave us back wind to actually do this. And with him, I knew that if we have some military here, we have the industry, we have the medical robotics, this is going to be a success. So it was a success. Thank you very much for everybody who participated, who helped, and I hope to see you all in 2 years. Thank you very much.